In this video, you will learn about phrasal verb off meaning, synonyms. Call off. To cancel or abandon something that was planned. Synonyms: cancel, scrap. Example: due to bad weather, they had to call off the outdoor event. Take off. To remove clothing or to leave quickly. Synonyms: remove, depart. Example: he took off his jacket as it was getting warmer. Show off. To display one's abilities or possessions boastfully. Synonyms: flaunt, parade. Example: she always shows off her new gadgets to impress her friends. Set off. To start a journey or to trigger something. Synonyms: begin, initiate. Example: they set off on a road trip across the country. Pay off. Yield positive results or to settle a debt. Synonyms: be worthwhile, repay. Example: their hard work paid off and they won the championship. Turn off. To stop a machine or a light, or to cause someone to lose interest. Synonyms: switch off, repel. Example: please turn off the lights before leaving the room. Brush off. To dismiss or ignore someone or something casually. Synonyms: disregard, shrug off. Example: he brushed off her comments, pretending they didn't bother him. Rip off. To overcharge or to steal someone's money or belongings. Synonyms: swindle, cheat. Example: the street vendor tried to rip me off, asking for an exorbitant price. Back off. To retreat or move away from a confrontation or situation. Synonyms: withdraw, step back. Example: when he saw the angry dog, he quickly backed off. Write off. To deem something as a loss or failure, or to cancel a debt. Synonyms: dismiss, abandon. Example: the company had to write off the damaged inventory as a loss. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.